Question number 11. Find the surface area and the volume of the ball shown in the figure. So it is spherical in shape. So you have to apply formula for sphere. Radius, diameter divided by 2. So 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Surface area of the ball 4 pi r square. So 4, value of pi 3.14, radius 21 square. 5538.96 centimeter square. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Find out the volume 38,772.72 centimeter cube. Surface area and volume you have calculated. Write the answer in complete sentence. Question number 12. As shown in the figure, a cylindrical glass contains water. A metal sphere of diameter 2 cm is immersed in it. Find the volume of water. So this is the metal sphere of diameter 2 cm is immersed in the cylinder, immersed in water. So cylinder with diameter 14 cm, its radius of the cylindrical glass 7 cm, diameter divided by 2. Radius of the metallic sphere is diameter 2 cm, so radius is 2 by 2, that is 1 cm. Then height of the cylindrical glass, which is 30 cm. You want volume of water. So volume of water in the cylindrical glass minus volume of metallic sphere. So volume of water in cylindrical glass, that is volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere. Substitute the value. You have radius as 7, height 30 centimeter. Then radius here is 1 centimeter. Calculate it in terms of pi, or you can substitute value of pi in last step also, or you can write answer in terms of pi as per the instructions given in the question. So it is 1468.67 pi centimeter cube volume of water. Let us study frustum of a cone. The shape of glass used to drink water as well as the shape of water it contains are examples of frustum of a cone. Now observe, a cone is being cut. If you give a cut from here, you have two parts. One is conical part and the other part which is called as frustum of cone. So this is small r. You can consider this as R1. This is height of the frustum and L is the slant height. The glass placed upside down, we can call this shape as a frustum of a cone. When a cone is cut parallel to its base, cone is cut parallel to its base, we get two figures. One is conical part and other is frustum of a cone. Volume and surface area of frustum can be calculated by the formula given. H is the height of the frustum, L is the slant height of the frustum, R1, R2 are the radii of the circular faces, R1 is greater than R2. Slant height is given by the formula root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Curved surface area of frustum is pi L into R1 plus R2. Curved surface area of frustum is pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. That is curved surface area plus area of top plus area of bottom. Volume of frustum is 1/3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So you have to use these things in the problems.